University is located on the Castle Peak Ward of Tumun. The Font Sunwood Library is located at the Patrick Lee Kern Academic Building of the university. The library occupies the first 3 floors of the building, serving over 5,000 readers of the Lingnan community. As the library of the Liberal Arts University, it houses more than 500,000 volumes of books and more than 1 million volumes of e-books, 90,000 volumes of e-journals, and 200,000 items of audiovisual materials. The library collection, covering a broad range of subjects such as arts and humanities, social sciences, business and sciences, provides a rich collection to meet the learning and research needs. Library users can use the information commons of the library to search for and print out resources they need. Library staff would serve as an information help desk to provide assistance and answer any inquiries. Library users can visit the Lee Harker Multimedia and Language Learning Center of the library to use the audiovisual resources such as movie DVDs and language learning materials. To provide a pleasant learning environment to users, there are more than 600 seats in the library and multiple collaborative workrooms for group learning. There are also postgraduate common room and faculty and postgraduate study rooms for academic staff and postgraduate students to conduct their research. The Lingnan archives inside the library exhibits valuable information and artifacts on the history of the university, from its re-establishment of Lingnan in Hong Kong to its acquisition of university status. These include correspondences, annual reports, official records, and paintings related to Lingnan, underlying important milestones in the development of the university. The library regularly hosts cultural and literary exhibitions and collaborates with other departments of the university to co-organize book talks and academic seminars. Users can visit the library website to review the video recordings after the events have been held. The library has set up Lingnan Scholars as a platform to capture the research output and scholarly works of the researchers and staff of the university. The platform also promotes excellence research and fosters collaboration with the wider community across all disciplines in the university. The library, as a knowledge hub and intellectual heart of the university, strives to provide compelling facilities and innovative services to users, so as to enrich the learning and research of the Lingnan community. You are welcome to visit Lingnan University Library.